everyone. I've gotten some questions about how volcanoes and the solid earth, also known as petrology, is going to work this fall. Totally reasonable. Elliot's helping me out this summer, and what we are doing is we are creating a kit that we will mail to you. So I cannot mail you the microscopes. They're too bulky, fragile, and expensive. Instead, Elliot and I have found these LED light panels. So I have 5 thin sections here, and I have polarizing film. And you're going to be able to take several of these thin sections and compare them to each other and work on individual labs. So you'll be able to put the film together, and you actually will be able to compare samples better this way than you would be with the usual microscope. The other thing that we're going to add into the picture here is the ability to use a magnifying lens. Great. And this is showing us how you're going to be able to submit your homework. By taking an image, you can then send me this image. Sorry. By taking an image like this, you can then send me this image with your notes on the image. And this is actually going to be a really good replication of what we normally would have done. The other thing I've done is I've spent almost a week of time collecting more and larger samples. Normally we would work with a sample this size, okay? I'll be sending you pieces of rock this size. It has the same minerals, okay? And the same textures. And I'll send you photos of the larger pieces. Each student, in addition to getting the light panel, the film, this, you'll each be getting your own kit of thin sections and rocks. I'll have more for you in a week or two on how this will work. Thanks.